Okay, so this is the final look of that hair, of this wig that I was reviewing. It says Wear Me on the Daily by Outre. So this is the shade. It's actually the name of it. I don't think I said the name of it. It's called Luna. I'm sorry. It's Luna. I don't think I mentioned that in the beginning. And it's the velvet green. So all I did was just kind of put a little bit behind my ear and did me some baby hairs. Y'all know I am not the queen of baby hairs, so I try to do something. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the makeup. Thank you. Okay.
So dabby dabby dab, dabby dabby dab, dabby dabby, dabby dabby dab. These better twists. And I'm gonna wait. You have some on your nose.
That's okay.
And I'm gonna do inside your nose. Or you just gonna wait. Oh no! Your mouth.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Mom, your skin looks so pretty, you know.
Thank you.
Can I do it on your neck?
No, not my neck. Just do it on my face.
Okay, I thought you was gonna say yes, and then you wait. I'm gonna be careful with your little thing inside your mouth.
Yeah, my earring in my lip.
Yeah, and we don't want to get that one, and then you have to take it out and then you bleed.
Okay.
Uh-oh, I just got some on your lip.
It's okay.
Oh no, I got some on your little thing.
It's okay.
No, on your little angle thing. Mom, I got some right here. I got some right here. Oh.
Okay. So let me take over.